going on, you guys? Today we're going to talk about Clickbank and how to make $100 a day on Clickbank. If this is your first time to the channel, don't know who I am, I'm Mike Sandifer, coming to you with Mike's Money Tips. If you could, please like, subscribe, comment, hang out, whatever. I'll try to answer all my comments. If you like what you see, please give it a like. If you want more content like this, let me know in the comments. If you need help with anything, let me know. Down there in the comments, I've got my #1 way to make a living online. It's probably the best thing I've done yet. But without any farther, we'll get into this. As you see, we're on Clickbank's homepage. What you'd want to start off doing is create an account. And it will come up like this. I don't know why my computer's running so slow today. Good Lord, what's going on with this thing? As you see here, you'd have to put in your preferred language, your country, which for me would be the US, which is right at the top, Canada, United. I think this is actually able to be done in every country, I believe. Your first name, your last name, street address, all that good stuff. Put it all in, hit the next step. Then you put in your banking information. You have to have banking information in it in order to be paid, people. Without it, you can do all the work under the sun, you'll never get paid. And then you have the account information. So, with that being said, let's go back to the home page and I'll show you the marketplace and how to get ads and all that stuff. Here on the front page, you have featured products like the Voodoo and Superior Singing Method, Rocket Language, MI40, looks like some sort of weight loss deal, Paleo Restart, Longtail Pro. Matter of fact, I've looked at that for myself. A lot of different things. Over here you have different niches that you can find, like health and wellness, or health and fitness, home and garden, languages, mobile. And there again, you got the MI40, surf strength, Body by Bull online. Don't know exactly what that is without clicking on it. 5-day detox, get lean program. But anyway, let's log in and I'll show you the back office of ClickFunnels. Yeah, I thought I clicked log in. There we go. And once you get back here, this is a brand new account I use for training and stuff. It's not anything I actually use. What you'd want to do is come back here, go to marketplace. Alright. And it'll bring up the marketplace. What you saw on the front page, you had a few things you could do. Here you've got quite a bit more. You've got anything from arts and entertainment as seen on TV to sports and travel and anything in between. You've got, like, okay, if you just click on, let's say, let's go e-business and marketing, because that's basically the niche that I'm in and what I try to teach everybody. And as you see, when it comes up, you have all of these offers. There is 483 offers, 49 pages. Everybody says to do it by gravity. I either do it by gravity or popularity. I take both of them into account. And as you see, there is so much here. If you can't find something, and just underneath everything is, this is all the different niches under just e-business and marketing. Cooking and food has that right there. Employment and jobs. You've got education, games, green products, health and fitness. But anyway, what you'd want to do if you're wanting to try to sell one of the products, like I said, go by gravity or popularity. Either way, what I generally try to do is find something with a decent rebuild too. Like this right here has a great ROI, but man, it's got a pretty good ROI on the rebuild. It's got a 57% gravity score, and obviously seeing how high up it is, it's got a pretty good popularity too. I'm not saying that right off the top of it, but anyway, you know, that's a high ticket product, which, you know, you can do, but for that you need paid traffic. I'm trying to show y'all a free method today instead of a paid method. Like this one right here, you get paid for your opinion. You click on this right here, which the affiliate page, it'll bring it up, and you can see what all they're willing to help you out with. Video game tester jobs, get paid to play video games. Photography online, get paid to take photos. Get paid for your opinion surveys. Get paid to write online. Make money from YouTube with no filming, no marketing. Teaching jobs online. You know, it's basically what this boils down to. What this one appears to be is other ways to make income, which is okay. Which ain't really what I was wanting to show y'all, but anyway, let's go back in and find another one. That way I can show you what I'm talking about as far as the affiliate page, because I really didn't care for that one. Get paid for your opinion. Okay. Sell who, warehouse and drop ship. Okay, that. Tell you what. Let's go down here and go to affiliate marketing, because I know it. And make sure we're still under gravity, which we should be, but click this just to make sure. Okay. And affiliate bots. This is what will bring up whenever you want to help with the affiliates. This is the affiliate page. Whenever you want to know more about it, you earn 60% commission, $7,000 cash contest, $18,000 a month, 37 software bots for affiliates. Sign up for cash prizes, your 5 hop links, IM email swipes, Business opportunity swipes. This is a pretty good one. So what I would do, I would go back to the Clickbank, and once it loads, that was, what was that? That's sell who, promote, and you got your account nickname, and like this right here, you just put in a tracking ID. Like for now, it's just test because that's all this is. Generate a hop link, and then you get this right here. What you'd want to do is copy this hop link, copy it to your clipboard, because that's the way you're going to get paid. And you'd want to bring up bit.ly in order to shorten the link to make it look more presentable whenever you post it somewhere. And whenever I do this, I'll generally put in what it is so I remember, what the link is. Well, I'm waiting on this to come up, and you come over here, click bit link, paste the URL. There we go. And you hit create. And you add a title. It was sell who. Well, it'd be better if I could spell today. And you hit save. And then you go to Facebook, which here, this is my page. What you'd want to do is what I would do is like this right here. I'd write a post and post it on my page. Basically, you just come in and say, like, hey, I found a great product for affiliate marketers to have everything on autopilot. Yes, I have Grammarly. It helps a lot because I'm not the best speller, not the best graphic designer, or nothing else. And then you would just go and post your link there at the end where you shortened it. You copy it, and then you come back and put a space, paste it, and then it should come up with a little preview down here at the bottom where it says free. See? And you would post that to your wall or whatever you want to do. And that's basically how you would make $100 a day with it. Because if you noticed, that one right there is $95 sale. So let's face it, one of those a day, that's roughly $100 a day. There again, I want to say thank you for watching, and